I will tell you that my favorite dessert is ice cream. My favorite is chocolate with peanut butter. Now, whenever I do this, can you go, mmm? Let's try it. Ready? Mmm. All right. Whenever I do this, you go, mm-hmm. Well, today was a day I did everything right. Though my brother annoyed me, I still didn't fight. I played nicely all day, didn't argue or scream. Now Mom says that I can have a dish of ice cream. I ate all of my breakfast and all of my lunch. I picked up my toys and I have a bunch. And since I've been helpful, like part of a team, maybe Mom will let me have 2 scoops of ice cream. 2 scoops, what a treat, but I think you'd agree. It'd be hard to imagine one better than me. I've done everything right, or so it would seem. Maybe Mom will let me have 4 scoops of ice cream. Yes, today has been special. It's not every day I do everything right in such a nice way. So why not, of course, since I'm building up steam, add some syrup on top of 4 scoops of ice cream. You've been perfect, my dear. That's what Mom said today. So I know she won't mind if I have it my way. To the syrup, add nuts, boop, 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 and also whipped cream. And a cherry, boop, on top of 4 scoops of ice cream. And yet, when I think of wanting more, though it sounds awfully good, I know what's in store. I'll eat, and I'll run out of steam, and I won't feel so good after all that ice cream. Well, since today is a day I did everything right, I will not spoil my record by making a sight. I will ask most politely, though it was fun to dream, Mom, may I please have 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream? Well, so let's say 1 scoop, and then what do you think? What do you think we should also have on it? That sounds good to me. All right, enjoy your ice cream.